can I tell you something?
Yeah, sure.
I'll tell you something in the camera.
Yeah.
In the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, since there are only 2 birds, Miranda flew out of the cage because she wanted to, and she's free to go, and I'm happy because she's gonna come back every day. Maybe not. And bye. This is the birds video of them saying cutie. Cutie, cutie.
No, wait.
Shut up. Okay. Okay, now let me say something in the camera. And now we're gonna look in the trees for Miranda. If she's around here somewhere, we will take a video of her.
Somewhere in this tree is Miranda. We cannot find her, but we will soon.
Somewhere in this tree is Miranda. We cannot find her, but soon we will. So keep on looking in the camera.
Do you see her? Do any of you?
Yes, I see her. I see her right there.
Where?
Over. Oh, now she went away. She's hiding behind a leaf or something.
How about these, her? Is that her? I think I see her.
Yeah, that one.
Ooh, I found her. She's
I
right
just saw her
there.
tail moving. Where are you, Miranda? Come down, come on, take a video of you.
Well, wherever Miranda is, who cares?
Look what I found. Look what I found.
Yeah. Hey, look what she found. It's a butterfly. It's a real one. I want to touch its wings. Ah, it's flying away. Catch it. Catch it. Oh, well, it went away. Okay.
Since we cannot find Miranda, she might be around here somewhere. I don't hear her making a sound.
Who cares?
But we will maybe end this video later.
Yeah, we just want to see the birds.
And now, see them saying Miranda. Okay, video's over.